Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the player object and creating a health variable set to 100. This is your single source of truth. Next, add two UI pieces, a background bar and a fill bar that will scale. Once done, wire signal channels for damage and heal so the player can send updates. Make sure to name channels clearly, damage, heal, and update, because consistent names keep logic simple and prevent missed updates later. Now you link the player variable to the UI. When health changes, send health divided by 100 to normalize it between 0 and 1. Use a math node to clamp values, and, if desired, add an easing function so the bar animates smoothly rather than snapping. Then connect that normalized output to a scale or width control on the fill UI object, so 1 maps to full width and 0 to empty. Test with damage and heal signals while watching the bar respond in real time. To finish, implement color thresholds so the bar turns green above 50%, yellow between 20 and 50, and red below 20. This gives immediate feedback. If your game uses multiple screens, persist health to storage and reload it on scene start so the bar reflects true state. If things go wrong, log the normalized values and monitor the signals. Missing or misnamed channels are the most common issue. Rerun the update sequence, step by step, until the fill and colors match expected values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.